ang iyong special day. Happy birthday! Mwah!
Ako po si Martin Rivera, greeting you on this very, very special day. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday po.
Sana nag-enjoy ka ngayon and I hope you get all the blessings that you have been asking for. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday. May you have the best of everything you had in life. May you always be happy.
And happy birthday to you, and I hope you have all awesome time over there wherever you are. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Greetings! Greetings from Manila.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Mama. I love you, miss you. Sana po mag-ingat ka lagi dyan sa abroad. At lagi po kayong gabayan ni Lord.
Hello ma, happy birthday. I love you and we miss you.
Happy birthday, Mama.
Dali na!
Thank you sa lahat. I miss you. I miss you so much.
Ayan, to my dearest ate, happy birthday, te. Wish ko para sa'yo, sana bigyan ka panigad ng napakaraming birthday. Good health and stay strong lang palagi. Ingatan mo palagi yung sarili mo. Salamat sa lahat-lahat ng tulong na ina-apply mo sa akin. Basta lagi mong tatandaan, mahal na mahal kita, mahal na mahal ka namin, alam mo yan. And, ayun, miss you and see you soon, ate. Happy birthday ulit.
Happy birthday, Mercy. Yan, mahal na mahal kita ha. Tandaan mo lagi yan. Ingat ka palagi. Lagi mong alagaan ang iyong sarili.
Once again, happy birthday nga. Enjoy your day. And God bless always. And ingat.